My favorite soup is the lobster soup. Chunky lobster soup, and it's
money on my neck goes money rain.
It's my name, это мой манер.
I could be Pepe. I could be a static. I could even be a soft day, 'cause I could be a soft day, but yes, who I am. It is.
let it down, let it down, let it shrivel up. Come on,
George has been possessed.
It's always summit with this one, for fuck's sake.
Let's call the priest.
Hurry, cunty pig!
Dr. Brown Bear speaking.
Do you know any priests, mate?
Aha! Yes, we all get together annually at our priests and doctors party held on the moon.
Oh, just get here, you sarcastic shit!
Is George gonna be okay?
She'll be absolutely fine. We just need to lock her in her room and pray.
George, you have to stay in bed for a bit. No. George, what did I tell you? No teleporting. No, fuck you!
Hello? Hope you don't mind I let myself in and went through Mummy's underwear drawer. Now let's get this demon out. George, say,
George doesn't want to be Megan the Stallion.
Pepper, to show George there's nothing to be scared of, could you go,
Of course.
Jesus Christ, if the Megan the Stallion couldn't save her, your daughter needs Jesus.
Does George need medicine?
No, some holy water should work just fine.
Thank you, Dr. Brown Bear.
Nice pants, Hog.
Pepper and the demon are getting ready for bed.
Here you are, my favourite child. A nice warm glass of holy water.
Disgusting! Nice arse, Mummy. Whoops!
Twat! You just slapped my arse so hard I fucking flew down the stairs.
Worth it.
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round.
Welcome to Jurassic Park.
He's just overreacting. That's a lie! He's trying to kill me!
Pablo. Huh? My name is Pablo.
Hey! Were you just trying to turn on the lights? No! You can't do that! It's illegal and dangerous to turn on the lights in Ohio. Let's do something legal and safe, like dance. We tried to warn you. But you new Ohio residents just don't listen. That's okay. Now you'll be here forever. Come on. We gotta go. Ohio's broken. We gotta kill the sun. Let's go. All right, we're gonna go kill the sun. Let's go. Yeah, we killed the sun. Yeah, Ohio is in eternal darkness again. Yeah.
Hooray!
I am a registered sex offender. I stuck my dick into a blender. Your mom is a transgender. I am a professional nude sender. You know that I be dominating.
I know what's real and what is Peppa Pig!
You look like a total noob.
You look like Scooby-Doo.
Want to see a magic trick? Good. Abracadabra!
Who the fuck is in my store? Ooh, I see you, you're fucking dead.
It's like my Uncle Kagi once said, with great power comes great big booty bitches.
George has seen some really big, juicy blackberries.